Today, we are going to show you how to use compass feature on your Descent MK2. First, press the Start button to enter the dive profile. Select Single Gas. Here, you will see some customization options. Please make sure you finish all data settings here. When the top of the screen becomes green, it indicates that GPS positioning has completed. Press Start button to enter the dive profile. When the depth sensor senses that the watch is 1.2 meters below water, it will start recording activity automatically. Tap the watch face twice to change pages. You will see the compass screen. Point the arrow on the screen in the direction you want to go. Press the Start button on the upper right. The screen will show your current direction and its difference from the direction you want to go. Now, you have completed the steps for setting up the compass. The green mark and the red mark are 180 degrees apart. When you want to return, just follow the red mark, so you can return to the position you have set by following the direction. So whether it's a shore dive or a boat dive which you will get on the shore, you can set your direction before diving or going out to the sea, so you can return safety. For more information on setting up and using your Descent MK2, visit the Descent MK2 page at support.garmin.com.